All right, so we're solving second-degree systems of equations. Last time I showed you a circle and an ellipse. Today I just want to show you two shapes. One is linear. So this would be B. No. Yeah, I know, I checked. We started Friday working on recognizing equations that are not in the form that we're used to. So that top one, do you remember what it is? Can you identify it? What shape? No. It is not a circle because of that 4.
What is an ellipse?
It's an ellipse. Why? Because of the number in front. Okay, so to get it to the form that you're used to, they usually equal 1, right? You divide by 25, so what is that? Okay, so if you need to, you can do that. In this problem, it's actually easier not to do that. Okay. With the linears, you're probably going to have to substitute. So let's solve for y on that linear equation. Take this and put it in for y. Number substitution. You with me there? Good on that? And then solve for x. You're probably going to end up with a quadratic. Let's work it through. Remember, you have to FOIL this. Because there are 2 of them. I did a couple things there. See if you could follow it. Yeah, I did. I subtracted 25 over. Are you okay with that? little feedback here for me? No, you're good. Anybody else? John's good. Okay. There's a 4 in each of these, right? Yeah. Factor it out. So divide by 4 on each side. It's going to get rid of it and make it a lot cleaner. And it's still equal to 0. Can you factor that?
No.
Yes or no?
No. Yes, you can.
No. Keep in mind there's a 2 here. So it's not just multiply and add. Yeah. Remember the Punnett square? We have to find 2 numbers that add up to 1. That also multiply to give you -6. Yeah, let's try it. Which one is it? The problem is that 2 right there. So the question is, okay. So this square is not working right now because this should actually be 4. Now does that work? Or we kind of did it backwards. So out here we have to have -3 and 2 because that's -6. Here it's 2 times 2 is 4. And here x times 3. Does that add up to 1? Yeah, it does. So we have our factors. 2x minus 3, x plus 2. Okay, remember, keep in mind that 2 messes with things. So -6, the 2 and the -3 go out here. And then we can determine the inside by it. So what are our x values? -2, I give you. No, 2 times 3 minus 3 is not 0. Solve the equation. Yep. Okay, those are x values. Yeah, you have to do both. Yep. Now, I would just use the linear version. Yep, it is. I know, that's why I'm showing you this one. So if I plug in -2, we get 3. So and if I plug in 3/2, -4. You just solved your system. It's where they intersect.
We're going to graph it as well, just to give you an idea there graphically. Verify, because it's a great way to do it. Any questions on the algebra? Use substitution. Right there. Okay. So here's the graph. We rewrote the ellipse. Okay. All we need is this. What's the center? Yep. Okay, what's A? A squared is 6.25. So what's A? It's the square root of 6.2. What? And B? All right. So is this vertical or horizontal? Yeah. Bigger number goes with the Y, so it's vertical. Sorry, then we should switch these. Because that would be A squared. But anyway, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the vertices. So ellipse, very easy to graph. All you need is A and B. Bam, done. And then the line, I think we could rewrite it. This is, we're pretty used to seeing it in that form. What's the y-intercept? And the slope? There you go. Not perfect, but. Oh, it is. Yep, you're right. Busted me. Yeah. Let me rewrite it in a different color. That's what I get for doing it in pen. Yeah, that should be a minus 2x, so that's my fault. Now, if we look at our algebraic answers, do they match? Pretty close, huh? 3/2, -4, and then -2, 3. Yeah, we're pretty close. Yeah, as you can see graphically. All right. Do you have any questions? Sorry for the botch on that last part. Okay. Do you want me to write the homework down again? Okay. What? Yep.